It's the girl. Now here comes the boys. One of the green, I call him Mr. Licky because that's all he does is jump and lick. This girl's mischievous, one with the light pink ribbon. The little girl with the purple ribbon. There's the boy with the green polka dotted ribbon. Film you guys. Two of the girls. Two of the boys. Our cat. Puppy's chasing a cat. That's the one with the brown polka dot ribbons. He does not need to be chasing a cat. Don't chase the cat. Come on. Come on. That kitty will get you. You really want that kitty, don't you? Yes, you do. The boy with the brown ribbon. Brown polka dot. And you want to leave. Gravy, quit moving the kitty. Are you jealous, Gravy? Hey, no. Get Gravy. Come here, puppy. That kitty will get you. Put you down. Where a cat gets you. Mr. Licky. Mr. Licky. Yes, he is. He's Mr. Licky. Oh, you don't need to be eating that. Give me that. I'll call you a big old head. Yes, you do. A boy with a brown ribbon. Starting to get dark, ain't it? What? Girl with the flowered ribbon. Used to be dark pink. Boy with the brown polka dotted ribbon. Boy with a solid green ribbon. Girl with a flowered ribbon again. Mischievous one with a light pink ribbon. What? You went down there, don't you? You went down. You're gonna have to get down. What you doing, girl? What you doing? I know you're jealous, Gravy. Look at you wallering over there. You be mean to puppies. I can't have you over here.